notes, huh? I said they call me notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me notes. What up, y'all? Welcome to Sneaker Notes. Let me ask y'all, who remember this? Yeah, that was a Justin Timberlake Super Bowl this year. And I already knew about the secret drop that was supposed to happen during the halftime show. So I kept my phone next to my hand. I think I looked away for maybe 10 seconds, man. Looked back on the sneaker apps, done. Sold out. To this day, I didn't buy them sneakers. Not because I couldn't get them, because I could have paid resale, which is at really like $400 right now. And then there was a restock that I could have got on JustinTimberlake.com. But if y'all remember clearly, the Jordan free throw lines came out. Looked similar. And then the Tinkers came out. Looked similar. So I just decided not to even mess with them at all. But today, we got a different colorway in them things. But before we get into that, all my new subscribers, this is the segment right here called What's on Foot. This is when you, the viewer, while you're watching this video, write down in that comment section what you got on foot today. It could be right now while you're watching the video. It could have been earlier. It could have been what you plan on wearing later today. Just write it down in that comment section below. It takes about 5 seconds. Today, it's hot as hell in Brooklyn. I'm not going to lie to you. This is what I'm rocking though.
Side top, snapback, fitted cap. My Jordan side top, snapback, fitted cap. My Jordan side top, snapback, fitted cap. My Jordan side top, snapback, fitted cap.
Yeah, so those are the Jordan 1 Royals, the classic ones. We already know this shit, and it came out with Game Royal, Hyper Royal, every Royal you can name up. But these ones right here is the OGs. They're going to forever be the OGs. And these are the ones that you must have. So again, Jordan 1 Royal Blues. That's what I got on foot. In that comment section below, let us know what you got on foot, what you rocking today. And pardon me, y'all, my voice is like Jadakiss right now. Without further ado, let's get into the JTHs. Unboxing time. Now off the bat, y'all know I'm big on boxes, man. And this ain't no regular Jordan box right here. That's Man in the Woods for real, man. And that goes all the way around the whole box. See that symbol right there? Somebody tell me what that symbol is. I don't know. Might be Man on the Woods, because it's an M and it's a W. That's what we're going to go with, Man on the Woods. And you have that logo there. You got that logo there. And then you got your regular Jordan logo here. And this is the box. As you can see, the size is 11, not 10.5, but they still belong to me. Let me explain. I got these from my good friends overseas at the In Clothing. Shout out to another overseas connect, man. I'm giving y'all all my overseas connects. And when you do something there, they have the sizes in UK. And I got like a short-term memory. I always forget what's my size in UK. So I just went with a 10 real quick. So a UK 10 is equivalent to a US 11. I wear 10.5. But I ain't mad at 11. I could get in it. Let's get back to the shoe. You flip open the lid. You got more wood, man on wood situations. You know, look like a forest. You flick that back, now you got your regular paper. Let's see what's going on. We're gonna start with the right shoe. 360 real quick before we get into it. Now, as you can see, your right shoe on the inside, it says higher. Then they got your premium. This suede is premium, y'all. This is like Timberland Nubuck right here. No BS. This is premium. Your elephant print also on the bottom of your Nubuck suede, whatever you want to call it. Got little hints of yellow in your shoestring holder. And the thing about these shoestrings, these are like boot shoestrings. These are definitely like Timberland shoestrings right here. Leather shoestrings. Let's call them that. Leather shoestrings. Your tongue is leather too. This is a premium shoe, man. No wonder this shoe retail for $250. So you got a leather tongue, beige, brown, Jumpman. Color's kind of weird. You can't really tell the color. The inside of the tongue has Justin Timberlake's signature. And if you don't want to rock the leather Timberland boot looking shoestrings, they hooked you up. You got your Jordan shoestrings, beige, inside the dime bag. So that's dope. One thing I'm mad about is the new check. The check is not 3M like it is in the original Justin Timberlake sneaker. So, I mean, nah, this doesn't reflect at all. I don't know. But it don't look as 3M shiny as the original Justin Timberlake. I'm going to put it to the test and see if it's 3M, but I doubt it. In that comment section below, let me know if you already know if does this 3M reflect like the original JTHs. Okay, on your back, you got more elephant print. Premium quality, y'all. I'm not BSing. This is premium quality. And on your back, they gave us the Nike Air. Shout out to that, man. No big Jordan, man. They gave it the Nike Air, so that's dope, man. And again, you swing it around. We already talked about it. You got your higher. It says higher right there. All right, your inside, regular Jordan tree. And the inside it say fame is a lie. So this is your right side. Your bottom is gray, but it kind of like see through. You can kind of like see through it a little bit. So again, we talked about it. It say Nike and not Jordan. Alright, so that's your right side of the JTH man on the wood joints. Let's see the left side. Now your left side, the inside also says higher, just like the right side. I told you about this Nubuck right here on the toe box. And this is premium, kid. Again, if you don't want to have the leather toe shoestring, the boot shoestrings, they hooked you up with another pair of shoestrings. Orange this time. And then your Jordan tag has Tinker Hatfield signature in this one. So on your right shoe, you got Justin Timberlake signature in the inside. On the left shoe, you got Tinker Hatfield's signature on the tag and also on the inside. Tinker Hatfield. Let's take this Jordan tree out. And the inside of this one, say structure is cruel. No, not structure is cruel. On the inside of this, it says stress is cruel. So fame is a lie on the right side and stress is cruel on the left side. Man on the wood sound like he's been going through something. Now your inside, this look like shearling material, cotton material. It's not that soft, but it ain't that hard neither, so should be a comfortable shoe to wear. Your sock line is shearling material, like cotton, like sheep. This sneaker really represents the woods, man. Again, your Nike on the back, high on the inside, sway from the toe box all the way up to the top. These the JTHs, man on the woods, y'all. Rating time. From a 1 to a 10, I'ma go, as far as material, I'm going 9. You got your nubuck suede, you got your elephant print. You got this material right here, more suede, elephant print, nubuck, cotton material. You gotta go 9 or 10 far as like material design quality. But far as the colorway and JTH, Tinker Hatfield, I'm gonna go 8. I know a lot of people mad at that $250 price tag, but once you get them in hand and you see the material, you know why they had to charge $250. They're giving you 2 different shoestrings also. Jordan 1s don't even give you 2 different shoestrings unless you got the top 5s or something like that. With the Jordan 1s, you're getting one shoestring. So I can see why they had to go $250 with this. I mean, this is not one of my favorite Jordans. Like I told you, I missed out on the first one, so I had to re-up and come back for the second ones. So, I mean, I like them. In that comment section below, let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all cop. Let me know if y'all looking to cop. The resale's not that bad. I just was on StockX. I seen like $300, so $50 over resale, not that bad. But trust me, these things will go up. So if you want them, get them now. These things will go up. Trust me. Once Justin Timberlake drops another album or do something crazy or do something spectacular, people are going to be looking for these again. So if you want them, go get them now. Don't wait. They're not going to drop. Trust me. JTHs, man. So you got Higher. On Justin Timberlake album Man on the Woods, he got a song dedicated to his wife called Higher. So I guess that's why they went with the Higher there. The Nike on the back is dope, man. Dope. 2 different shoestrings. So again, man, these are your JTHs, Man on the Woods. Pair 2 out of, I think, 4 or 5. Not bad for a follow-up. You know the sequel's never that good anyway, but not bad for a follow-up. In the comment section below, let me know what y'all think about it. Do y'all think 8 was a good rating for these or not? Other than that, I'll be back real soon. I got a lot of unboxings to do, so stay tuned. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe to your brother, man, and get rich. Now we on the bigger, better thing. Busy, but my bills pay. Busy, but my bills pay. Busy, but my bills pay.